This is Jarsain. We're at Brooklyn Speed, where we focus on restoring and customizing vintage and modern classics. Here today we have a 1971 Triumph TR6R. In the next following days, we'll be focusing on restoring this bike, not over full tune-up. We are putting a new tire, new suspension, front and back, going through all the fluid, electrical. All the bikes, when you receive them, you kind of make that initial first list. With experience, you can get a bit more precise on that estimated list. As you progress, you see things inside, closing covers, or outside. When you start using the bike, that shows off itself, and you can recondition, replace those parts. But ultimately, what makes it or break it is the driver experience. At the end of the day, we are setting ourselves a little bit apart from our counterparts, where we want these bikes to be performing almost as if it's a daily driven machine.